Hi there. Today I will show an example on how to use complex autograph or generate complex exponential sequence using Matlab. So let's start. All right. The first thing to do is to initialize the R samples, and then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make the exponent of e into one single variable so that it would be cleaner and neater in our function. So now this. That's how you initialize the function. So it's like e raised to parenthesis negative w times n. So after that, we're going to get the real part. So to get the real part would be this. Mhm. So I just copy and paste so that the video would be short. But you could pause it if you wanted. I'm going to use subplot because I'm going to show two graph in the same screen or in the same um, pop-up of Matlab. And using the real function this, we're going to get the real part, real part of the equation. All right. So after that, we label it properly. So n is the time sample and r is the real part. So this. I'm going to paste. The next one would be the imaginary part. So this would be the imaginary part. All right. So imaginary part. This is about generating complex exponential sequence. All right, so just to give you a short summary of our code. So the code starts with initializing 0 to 40, and then this is the whole exponent. N is not included because n is also part of the exponent of e. So this, all right. So to make it cleaner, and then after that I use subplot in order to display two graph at once. So I'm using the stem, and then this part is it's important. I wanted to highlight this um, because this would be the properties to get um, the real part of the equation. So I label it, and then the same with this. So I use the imaginary part to extract the imaginary part of the equation. So just a helpful tip. So if we wanted to help, then real, so it will show on how you use this. And then help imag would be this. All right. So now we're ready to plot it. So I'm going to plot it. Okay, here. So everything's so nice and clean. And let's see what's the result would be. Okay. So the result is this. Mhm. So this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. All right, so that's it for today and have fun.